slowly coming off.
Stand in the same spot. This is the new Envirosun heat pump hot water system that we're installing for a client today in Keysborough. This unit here, under the Victorian rebate system, they're able to get $1,950 off this system. We like recommending these units here because they are a budget-friendly option, but it does work fantastic. So what we've got here, it's a heat pump, so it uses refrigeration in order to heat your hot water rather than a standard electric hot water system. These are really good, really efficient, helps bring your bills down quite a lot. This one here is a nice big model, holds 330 litres. So this suits a family home up to 4 to 6 people. You can get a more slimline version. It's only 190 litres. So if you've got a nice narrow path, you don't have as many people, you can get a slimline version. These ones here come with 7-year tank warranty, and it also has eco-friendly refrigerant inside. So these are a fantastic option if you're looking for a direct swap over from your old gas or even instantaneous hot water system. What we've got here is we've installed a safety feature here, which is called a tempering valve. So what the tempering valve does is it does mix your hot and cold water together to give you a tempered line. With these new heat pumps, we do have to install them. It all comes with the unit. So what that does is it brings your temperature down to 50 degrees if you just got a standard residential property. So we do need to make sure the tank water is hotter at around 60 degrees or higher in order to kill any diseases. And then this one here brings that temperature down so it can't scald anyone, it can't burn anyone. So these are a nice safety feature which we make sure we install. We've also put lagging on all of our pipe, even the cold, it makes it look better. Copper is a really good conductor, so that's why we put this lagging on, really keep that heat in, makes it so much more efficient, and it looks great. If you're interested in some more information, check out our website. We've got a couple options there, some information if you're interested, or if you want, just call our friendly staff, we can have a chat over the phone.
Beautiful.